And welcome back to this very special Thanksgiving edition of Open. Normally on Open Wednesdays, you usually find, well, current events, news, things like that. But today we're doing a very special show right before the Thanksgiving holiday, bringing you news of information with organizations that are actually making a difference right here in our community. So we want to introduce you to another organization, God's Love, We Deliver. It's a non-sectarian organization that actually serves people in need. They're children and caregivers with home-delivered tailored meals. They're also doing an event for Thanksgiving. Joining us now on the phone to tell us more details is Emmett Findley, who's the Director of Communications of God's Love We Deliver. And Emmett, good to have you.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Thank you. So as we prepare now for Thanksgiving, obviously there's a lot of great work that you guys are doing. So tell us what God's Love We Deliver have on the table.
Sure. So as you mentioned, God's Love We Deliver cooks and home delivers nutritious, delicious, medically tailored meals for individuals living with severe and chronic illness. We also serve their children and their senior caregivers. On Thanksgiving Day, we are excited to bring a delicious Thanksgiving feast to all of our clients and their families and guests so that they can have a special holiday as well.
And so for Thanksgiving, obviously, you'll be reaching out to these families. How do you go about locating and how do you go about finding those persons that you're actually going to serve?
So these are individuals who are on our program. In a year, we serve nearly 8,000 individuals. That includes our clients who are living with illness, their children, and their senior caregivers. So these are folks who receive meals regularly. And then for the holiday, we just make an extra special effort to make the day extra special. That includes, a full Thanksgiving feast, a delivery by a group of volunteers, and all of it with a festive holiday bag that's been decorated by little kids, the works.
And so my notes tell me that you got about 1,000 volunteers that actually be serving tomorrow.
That's right. Well, next Thursday we've got 1,200 people who are making it all happen. Those are folks who are working in our kitchen here in Soho in Manhattan, and then hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of other folks who are actually out in the community, on the roads, in their vehicles, delivering meals to our clients. It's a really special day, and it's a great way for friends and family members to come out and get involved before they go home for their own celebrations.
And you do it pretty big, too, because not only do you have your regular meals, if you're a vegetarian, you've also got something for vegetarians as well.
Exactly. We don't want to leave anyone out, and we want to make sure everyone gets their own special deal. So, a root vegetable casserole for all of the vegetarians on our program. And then everybody else gets one of those traditional turkey feasts, which is turkey and pumpkin bisque and apple crisp, of course. And also, because our clients are living with illness, we make sure to modify all of our meals according to what they need. So we also mince and puree these meals if a client has trouble chewing and swallowing. But everybody gets the holiday spirit.
And the holiday spirit is actually great. Now, your volunteers, how are you going about getting these volunteers? You're going to have 1,000 people with boots on the ground come Thanksgiving Day. How do you recruit?
We are fortunate enough to work with nearly 16,000 volunteers every year. And on Thanksgiving Day, I think it's just, people are out there looking for a way to give back on a day that means so much about giving, about care and community and family and friendship. We have people from all over who really make an effort to clear, their Thanksgiving morning and and have God's Love We Deliver be a part of their holiday. So it is, part recruitment. We're out in the community asking people to come and volunteer with us, but so much of it is already built within the infrastructure of God's Love We Deliver, from folks who already volunteer with us, who tell their friends, who make it a special commitment. We're just really fortunate when it comes to our volunteers.
Yeah, and it's a lot of work that goes on, serving people in need. About 1,000 volunteers are actually going to be out, boots on the ground, actually volunteering for Thanksgiving. It's the preparation. It's a major day, Thanksgiving, right? And you've got these 1,000 volunteers. How long does it take you to put all this together?
So believe it or not, we start organizationally and logistically planning for the day about 3 months in advance. That means as summer is coming to a close, our Thanksgiving is ramping up. And that's just because there's a lot of details to put into making this day possible. In our kitchen, we start prepping for it about 3 weeks in advance. So early in November, we were already prepping and chopping and peeling and ladling and cooking and that sort of thing. We're now kicked into high gear. In fact, we're making about 6,000 apple crisp.
Well, it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful time. A lot of people actually be coming out. Now, I do hear that the demand for services has also increased as well. Before we go, talk to us about how things have changed throughout the course of the year. Talk with the previous guest about how, even with the homeless population, that demographic has changed. So your need for services has definitely increased.
Well, yeah, and I think, every year more and more people know about God's Love We Deliver and, the services we provide to individuals living with illness. But the demand for our services is, it grows every year. I mean, there are people out there who are living with severe illness, who get a diagnosis. Come the winter months, it gets harder for people, and people reach out to us looking for help. And, we know that being sick and hungry is a crisis that demands that urgent response. So if you reach out to us and you qualify for our program, we're going to be there for you for as long or as short as you need, no matter what.
Well, Emmett, thank you so much for sharing a little bit about it. We are looking forward to a wonderful and a great time for Thanksgiving. And certainly, if people want to find out more information about God's Love We Deliver, we're getting ready to give it to them right now. Emmett, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Now, if you want to find out about more love, or I should say God's Love We Deliver, or how to visit, all we ask you to do is visit their website, glwd.org. Once again, glwd.org. And we're going to take a quick break. We're going to have more show. Stay with us. We're coming right back right after this.